Welcome to the Fritz Hot Zone Show with Mr. Fritz. Thanks for joining me today. Hope your afternoon is going well. Today I'm going to try the Great Value Cream Soda, 8-ounce can. My friend Snowman Dan dropped some of these off at my doorstep the other day. Unfortunately, I was away at the time, so didn't have the opportunity to visit with him about this cream soda or do the taste testing back then when he was here. Following up with him a few days later, he said that Rachel got these at Walmart and wanted to share some with me. So special shout out to Rachel and a special shout out to Snowman Dan for making this video possible. Get this up here for you. Ooh. Take a look here. Ooh, foamy. Ta-da. Ooh. Cheers. Fizzy. Tangy. Ooh, smooth. Vanilla extract. Not bad. Not bad. Good flavor. Personally, I like the A&W brand cream soda better, but it's a great value. Cream soda wasn't bad. Smooth texture, creamy. Let's see, caffeine-free, low sodium. But this 8-ounce can has 33 grams of sugar. So definitely I wouldn't recommend it for someone with diabetes. That certainly won't help regulate blood sugar. But on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best and 1 being the worst, I would give the Great Value Cream Soda a 7.95. So there's the can. I like the logo design on it with the little stars and the tan color. It'd catch my eye if I saw this in the grocery store. It's a nice travel size for a backpack or a lunchbox. But not bad. So it's kind of up to you if you want to go give it a try. So there you go. Walmart is not a sponsor of this video. Until next time, applesauce.